हंसवा दिया आपने उनको. Yes. The Veer, they don't want to know about.
Okay. So any last few words from any of the panelists?
Poison.
One question.
All right. Thank you. One question. Yes, please.
Hello, I want to ask a question that how this idea about the Veer came in the mind for all of us to know, because and also how it you got motivated to start that, so that the people who are supporting it is also aware.
Can I answer that?
Yes.
See, part of doing a job like mine, which is heading marketing for the Thumbs Up company, is getting to know Salman, the man, in much more closely. And we realized, as a part of our conversations, that Being Human Foundation, Salman, this personal commitment, personal focus behind training, empowering people with disability. So it was Salman's insistence, our coming on board, and then finding the right partners in creating this campaign, which I'd like to refer to as a movement. So if you were to figure out who is responsible, I would say Salman is responsible in a big way for starting this journey. Does that find favor with you, Salman?
Salman, Veer और Being Human की collaboration के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं?
देखो यार, एक before signing on Thumbs Up एक idea था मेरे पास, and it was called हुनर, कि हर एक differently able person को एक हुनर सिखाएंगे जिसकी वजह से उनको जॉब मिलेगा. तो ये शेयर किया था थम्स अप वालों के साथ, और ये बोल रहे हैं कि इंसिस्ट तो नहीं किया था, जैसे सुनाया. ये भी काफ़ी, ये ग्रुप जो है बड़ा दयालु है और मददगार है, तो उन्होंने फट से ही आइडिया ले लिया और उसको वीर में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया.
Last question, please. We have a show and 250 people waiting, so last question. Thank you.
Well, I can hear you.
Go ahead, please.
So, Salman, recently there was a report that Being Human has made more than 150 crores. Would you like to tell us how you're trying to take this brand forward after it has now officially made such a big amount of money? Will you be just doing what you've been doing, or are you going to take it to another level?
150, no. I think it's about
I'm not sure of the figures, but it's more than.
I think it's about retail sales is about 300.
Retail sales. Yeah.
It's about 300, and see, we partner with people. We want them to make money, and so we concentrate on quality. आने दो भाई अंदर उनको, बहुत important है. And our 100%, after paying taxes and stuff like that, goes straight back into the charitable trust. And we're trying to start as many things, permanent things. That's the reason why we're slow. कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कुछ चीज़ start कर ली impatiently और जल्दी में और वो बंद हो गया. So we've got the clothing line is doing really well, and then we're going to start with a few more things idhar-udhar, and it's going to be the same format for us, like the worst business ventures. That is, जब भी आप कोई business करते हो, you want the maximum amount of profit. यहाँ पर मिलता है, लेकिन वापस से जाता है charity में. Important thing is that whoever we partner with, we want them to make money, and then it is their call whether they want to give it to charity or they want to keep it, for themselves. And with the help of people who buy our stuff, like obviously a lot of people are buying Being Human stuff, the clothing, and we're doing pretty well so far. And I think this year we plan to open about 40 more stores, and we would be in about 1,850 selling points. Plus we just tied up in Sri Lanka, and I think we got into Selfridges as well. So we're doing pretty okay. Now just we want to start the cafes, and we want to start the gyms, and we want to start all that kind of stuff. So all the money will, from our side, 100% of the money that we make will go straight back into the charitable trust after paying taxes.
Thank you. Also, would like to tell you that along with Being Human, the Coca-Cola company also conducts the career development centers. One of them has come up in Ghaziabad, and another 4 are coming very soon. Again, that is in partnership with Being Human. A last question, only on the campaign, if that is. Thank you.
How will the brand Thumbs Up benefit out of this?
I think there is perfect synergy. Not everything about the brand is plain vanilla advertising. The brand voice depends on what the brand does, and it's about walking the talk. If brand Thumbs Up truly believes that it is about unleashing the potential within, then coming together with partners like Salman's Being Human Foundation, the American Indian Foundation, TV18, then you're trying to walk the talk. Not everything is done with an input-output ratio of I do this and I get this. It's a long-term journey, and we believe that if we speak with the brand voice, if we do the right things, then the long-term payouts are significant.
Thank you all for your time. Sorry.
आपका वीर के साथ कोलैबोरेशन तो हो चुका है, बीइंग ह्यूमन का वीर के साथ कोलैबोरेशन हो चुका है। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपने कहा कि आप मोर देन 40 स्टोर्स खोलने की सोच रहे हैं। हमने साथ ही साथ ये भी सुना है कि आपने ये भी सोचा है बीइंग ह्यूमन के हर एक स्टोर में एक ना एक बेसिकली डिसेबल्ड इंसान को आप नौकरी वहाँ पे रखेंगे।
जी हाँ, ऑलरेडी एक आई थिंक हर स्टोर के अंदर एक डिफरेंटली एबल पर्सन है. वी ट्राइंग टू पुट दैट इन ऑल द स्टोर्स.